kang ganito, sagot ka ng sagot ng ganyan, ikaw matitiyan dito. It will be used against you. I'm telling you, you're not answering rightly. Without surrounds you, tayo lang, kami lang. You want?
Pwede pong pag-isip.
Sige. But again, we want you. The people are watching right now. Continuous tako. And your answer to them is not.
Mga kung ano lagi dili mga Pilipinas na lagi mapay.
You can still save yourself. I'm telling you. Kasi yun man, for the meantime, yun, you can save yourself. Sige, naglag mo na sila. Sabihin ko rin totoo.
Nagkuha na igliog ma.
Dako kay liog sa nya kay maparehan sa rin ako mong ganing gi kuan kay si Cyril. Dili siya ganahan dako ni.
Kung ani ba no.
Think about it.
Kung ano ba opinion.
Kasi nung we talk over the phone sincerely, I know that you yan. Marami ng mabola yan. Kasano. Yung 2 minutes, mag-isip lang siya. Pero please, Cassie, if you are